Fix your tight back with Minimax. This video is guaranteed to get you moving better by teaching you how to position yourself over the Minimax to stretch tight back muscles, and then adding specific breathing for the gentlest but most effective back stretch ever. Breathing is something we take for granted, but I want you to start thinking of it as your superpower for strength, flexibility, and mindset. There are many ways to position your body on the Minimax to improve your spine health, but the most effective way is to place it on a sturdy coffee table, a large ottoman, or bench, and lie over the Minimax from its rounded end. This recreates a stretch done in the Pilates studio, but with Minimax, you can do it whenever you like in the privacy of your home. Place the Minimax on a coffee table with the rounded end towards you. Adjust yourself until you feel stretching in your lower back. Make sure the position is comfortable because you will stay here for 3 to 5 minutes. If your head or neck needs support, place a small pillow or yoga block under your forehead. Bending your knees will increase the stretch. Position your feet so your toes are long and pointed. However, if this causes your feet to cramp, flex them. Note, the model is flexing his toes. Reach your arms forward on the table and then soften the elbows to further increase the stretch. Now that your back is lengthening, it is time to add your superpower, your breath, to the exercise. Here are some tips to get the best release. Number 1, inhale through your nose. It works your diaphragm better. Number 2, make sure your breath travels down. You would be surprised to know how many people breathe up instead of down. If this is you, a smaller inhale is easier to direct. Number 3, exhale fully through a slightly open mouth or through pursed lips, like you're blowing out 100 birthday candles. Got to start practicing, right? There are many ways to use breath to improve health. Psychologists use breath to decrease anxiety and other disorders. Other experts use breathing techniques to improve athletic performance. Knowledge is power. Next up is the explanation of how stretching over the Minimax works so well. We are essentially using a breathing technique done in Pilates. While exercising face down, it is instructed to draw the abdominals in, as if the surface you are on is hot. The tightened core is maintained. No release during the exercise, and especially not when inhaling. It is often assumed that the drawing in of the core in Pilates is for vanity's sake only. But breathing like this while lying on your stomach with a drawn-in core is especially effective for expanding the rib cage and back by stretching the body from inside out. The physical pressure of the Minimax on your stomach, combined with drawing in of your abdominals, blocks your breath. But the air has to go somewhere, so it ricochets into your ribs and back, which stretches your body from inside out. That is why this breathing technique is called ricochet breathing. Breathing like this is incredibly powerful, and only you can do it. Breath is your superpower. By the way, if the stretch feels too intense, just breathe into the Minimax without keeping your core tight. The pressure of the Minimax alone will block your breath. You now have what you need to get started with positional stretching over the Minimax combined with breathing. Grab your Minimax and head over to your nearest coffee table or ottoman and do 3 to 5 minutes of positional stretching with ricochet breathing. Test your ability to forward bend before and after, and you will be amazed at the improvement. You can do this daily. Perhaps it will become your 5 minutes of Zen. Keep watching if you are curious to see all the other ways you can do positional stretch combined with prescribed breath work with the Minimax. There will be a stretch that works for you. One option is to lie over the Minimax width. This is great if you do not have a sturdy coffee table or you need to keep your back straight because of surgeries or other issues. Another option that keeps the spine straight and thus limits the amount of movement in the spine is when you flip the Minimax over. You can do this from either end. Just make sure the Minimax is flat and not tipped. Create space in your back by sliding arms and legs away from the Minimax, but without lifting them. Do a couple of cycles of ricochet breathing, and then on an exhale, soften elbows to the mat. Assess how the stretch feels, and then after a couple of cycles of breath, exhale and soften knees. Listen to your body, and if it feels like too much stretch, then straighten your knees and or elbows. Keep in mind, some people feel the most stretch when both elbows and knees are straight. It is your body and your stretch. Do what works the best for you. A third way is to simply lie over the rounded end of the Minimax on a mat. You may also use the Minimax to round over it in a supported child's pose, where the Minimax helps your back to smoothly arc over like a rainbow. Adding the Pilates principle of the power of the opposites can be helpful to maximize the stretch. Have the intention of reaching arms forward as you reach your bottom back. Finally, if getting down on the floor is difficult, sit on a chair and place the Minimax on your lap, and then hinge forward. This is a good option if you need to keep your spine straight because of spinal fusions. Position the point of the Minimax in the fold of your lap with the flat side toward your belly. Pull the Minimax in tight as you reach your head away. This is again utilizing that Pilates principle of the power of the opposites. You can, of course, simply round over the Minimax's rounded end also. Finally, you may choose to place the Minimax on the floor. By placing your feet on top of the Minimax, the hips flex up, and this also will stretch your back. Then either round forward or hinge forward. You have an amazing tool in the Minimax, which will help you break out of back tightness to a more flexible you. As Joseph Pilates said, above all, learn how to breathe properly, and you are as young as your spine is flexible. Please spread the word about Hooked on Pilates and the wonderful Minimax, which is a full body strengthening, full body stretching, and a full body breath tool, which stores by hanging on a hook. Thanks so much.